Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get Copilot on your iPhone. It's pretty simple. You just need to go to the App Store, then go to the search and search for Copilot. Copilot is an AI platform that allows you to create multiple prompts, and it'll answer all your questions and generate different responses. You can also generate different texts and also images. So install the Microsoft Copilot, but don't get it mistaken with the Microsoft 365 Copilot. I don't know why, but for some reason Microsoft decided to create apps that look almost the same and are named almost the same, but serve a completely different purpose. So you just need to get the one without the 365, because the 365 is Office Suite and this is the AI app. And I'm gonna give you a quick tour of logging in and what you can do with Copilot. So first let's log in, or continue as guest if you don't want to log in, but I think I'm gonna do it. So let's click on continue with Apple. You can also continue with Microsoft account. So I'm gonna continue with my Apple account. Then I need to provide my Face ID. I don't think it'll work, so let's continue with a passcode. I'm gonna enter it off camera. Okay. And now it is set up. I think it'll add some more details like age, etc. So let's set my age. And also the region, if it is here. Then click on continue. Now you can choose the style of the voice of your Copilot. So you can click on any of those and you'll hear a preview.
I can write stories, brainstorm as a companion. I can get philosophical. Let's explore.
I'm gonna select this one and click on continue. Now you'll need to grant permissions for notifications and location. So I'm gonna just click on allow and allow location as well, and allow activity. And here is your Copilot. So here you can message it. You can also click on plus to this will open your keyboard standard. Then it will create a new chat because it remembers what has been said in the chat. So if you want to chat with it on a different topic, then I would suggest you creating a new chat so it doesn't confuse it with that topic. Then you can also append a photo so it can, for example, recognize what's on the photo and give you some more info about it. Or you can talk to it. So you don't need to type, you can talk, and it'll also recognize it. Also, if you want to talk, you can also click this button. It doesn't change anything. And if you click on the Copilot logo, then you'll get here. Here will be some ideas on how to use the Copilot. So some topics you can enjoy, ideas to explore, and more. And you can also while being here, you can click here to open your conversation history. I don't have any, so I cannot open anything, but if you had any conversation history, then you could just get back to that to remind yourself about something or continue that conversation. Or you can click on your profile icon in top right corner to adjust some account settings, voice settings, or sign out, or give feedback about your Copilot. You can also buy Copilot Pro, which is paid, but if you want that, then it'll unlock more features. And this is basically how the app works. Now let's try asking it some questions. So it has randomly just clicked on something and started asking a question. So I'm just gonna create a new conversation. Let's click here to create a new one. And now you can ask it anything. It can write you some essays if you need them, or it can prepare you for a hard conversation with someone. It can also tell you recipes for some cooking stuff, or also if you want to build a PC, you can ask it how to do it, and it can do way more. So let's, for example, ask prepare me for a difficult conversation with my flatmate about getting a dog. And then it'll give me some ideas how to create the conversation with that person, so I'll be more prepared and know what to say in order to find our common ground. You can also give it a try, so you can, for example, give your argument, then it'll respond in a manner that your flatmate may possibly respond. Or you can also let's create a new conversation. So I'm gonna create a new one and ask it, for example, about an email. So, oh my god, I'm unable to reach. Oh my god. Let's try again. And it'll give me a draft for a formal email. You can see here, you can edit it. You can copy, then edit it and send it to your boss or like anyone. It can also, I think, generate images. So let's also create a new conversation and ask it image of a dog eating watermelon. And you see it's generating it right now. And you can see the image is generated using AI. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.